Yeah, this is part 2, power steering line, removal, 08 DTS. This goes for, it should go, the DTS is run from like 06 to 11, I think. Not sure, but the 08 is in that range. You have a 06, 07, 08, 09. It's all the same, up to 11. Once you do you gotta start, with the driver's side. Lift the left side of the car up, and you don't need to remove the tire or nothing. Just get up under there. It's in my first video, and disconnect the line from down there with the 18mm wrench. And I already removed the line up here, and I had to use I used the 5/8. I didn't have the right, I believe a 15 would have did it. 15mm. I couldn't find, mine was in the house. I didn't want to get it, but the 5/8 worked for me, no problem. Took it right off. Then I just slid it up, slid the hose down there, and I pulled the hose out from up under this side. I lifted the car up, but really I didn't need to. Didn't need to lift the car up on the right side to do that, to take the hose out. I just did. But I thought it was connected to something down there too, the hose. Mine wasn't. Probably the reason why it had a little hole in it. It had a little pinhole in it. But yeah, it was leaking. So I haven't gotten a new line yet. I'm waiting for it in the mail. So that's about it. Subscribe and like and comment. If you have any questions, you can ask the questions. I got you.